Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your phone is unlocked and connected. This avoids delays when the app needs to verify identity. Once ready, open Google Pay and tap your profile icon in the top right. You need to know your current PIN or have biometrics active because the app will ask to verify you. Doing this first saves time and prevents accidental account locks, so make sure you can receive verification prompts before moving to the next step. Once done with verification, navigate to Settings, then choose Privacy or Security to find PIN Management. That's where Google Pay stores card and access PIN controls. You will be prompted to verify with your current PIN or biometrics. This confirms it's you and prevents unauthorized changes. After verification, pick Change PIN, type a new 4 or 6-digit code, and then confirm it by entering it again. Make sure the two entries match exactly, so the app updates the stored PIN without errors. After you save the new PIN, close and reopen Google Pay or sign out and back in to ensure the setting takes effect. Then test it quickly by viewing a stored card or initiating a small transaction. This confirms the PIN works for protected actions. If something goes wrong and the PIN isn't accepted, use the Forgot PIN option to reset via your Google account verification or contact Google Pay support. This single troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.